Hi guys, welcome to Get Real Life TV. This is where we promote African culture, traditions, and religion. I thank you all for showing me love on this page. I thank you for liking my videos. I thank you for watching, and as well, I thank you for your kindness. I thank you for your support, both in cash and in kind. So I decided to update you on this very issue, which is kind of disturbing. So you could recall that I decided to block Babalawo's numbers on my page. So some are happy about it, while some are not happy because maybe they feel that by reaching out to the Babalawos directly uh, is much more favorable to them. And I'm not going to say because I want to satisfy you and at the end displease myself. So because that is the reality on ground now. So that is, if you could recall, if you have been watching my videos, you will recall that I complained about someone, about the Babalawo on my page. I didn't mention his name, but I told you that Babalawo took a lot of money from someone. He took about 1.4 million naira from this person, and this person called me. He reported to me, and I called the Babalawo to ask why he did that. So he explained his own side of the story, but to be honest with you, I what the Babalawo said, as for me, I'm not fully convinced because you collected money from someone. You said you would do some certain things, and the person, and you told the person that you'll be sending some things to him abroad, and you took what you wanted to send to the courier office, and you said you just drop it there, and you told the person working there that you'll be coming the following day to pay or to give further details or thereabouts. And he now said the following day when he returned to the place, he said that what he that was what he said in Yoruba language, that they've touched the thing, that he won't that he will have to do another one after you've collected 1.4 million naira, and he was postponing the person. He was saying, oh sorry, I will send it tomorrow, you have to send some money again to do, he was just giving this man complaints. And this is exactly why the man called me to report him to me. So this happened a long time ago. Is almost let's say 6 months now. More than, I think, if I check, it's about 6 months now that this thing happened. This incident happened. So why I am updating you, number one, is because of some of you who feel that I just decided to stop people from picking numbers on my page. This is just one out of many that have happened, because but this one is the most problematic one, because he is here to return this person's money, because there are so many of them that I've attended to. And fortunately, when I called the Babalawo and call him to order, they comply immediately, maybe whether to send the money back or to do what the person demanded for. So these are the reasons why I decided to block the numbers, because I can't be, in Yoruba we will say, I wouldn't want to use that word, but the meaning of that adage is that I can't be packing someone's sheets. When I wasn't there when the whole transaction was going on. The only thing that I did is I brought them to my page to interview them. And I've been saying it severally that the reason why I interview Babalawos on this page is to promote, is to hear from them, is to give them voice. And I've said it that primarily is to give them voice, to promote our traditions, to help our generation to come back, to go back to the ancestral path. We are helping ourselves to go back to our ancestral path. And the only way to do that is to talk to our to the stakeholders in the tradition, in the spirituality, in the religion, as as the name, as you want to call it, So I did not interview them, or I'm not interviewing them to promote their business. That's not what I'm doing. But some of you still feel that is your right to pick their number directly from my page. Is some of you still feel that is your right. Please, I've said this several times that I am not promoting this Babalawo, and now that I released their numbers in the past, they gave me a lot of problems, a lot of headaches. So if you have noticed, I've been saying that you should be careful of paying an exorbitant amount of money to any Babalawo on my page. So I want you to listen to some of the conversations between this Babalawo and the person. So for now, I'm not going to mention the person's name, and I'm not going to mention the victim's name for now. But the Babalawos had promised that by 31st of January, that he is going to pay what the man is demanding for, right? So I just want you guys to listen to the conversation, just some part of this conversation, not all. But by 31st of January, if he hasn't returned the money, because the guy said he's not gonna let go of his money, out of 1.4 million naira, the guy said he should return 500,000 naira. It's even kind to him. It's kind to him. He said he should return 500,000 naira back to him so that he can just forget about the rest. So I'm going to play the conversation. It's in Yoruba language. Maybe for those of you who are Yorubas, you will understand much more better, and I can still try to translate the conversation as well. So I want you guys to listen to what is going on.
So àmì ìdẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ sọ mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi ṣàlàyé nǹkan kankan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin pẹ̀lú bàbá yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹjọ́. ó ń gbọ́ yín.
wọ́n fi ọgbọ́n èrò wọ́n fi gba 1.4 million naira lọ́wọ́ mi. mo ní evidence yẹn from Sendwave. gbogbo account details.
báwo ni ẹjọ́ bá mi ṣàlàyé bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀, kí ni nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ ṣe fún yín, kí ni ṣé wọ́n kàn gbowó yẹn lọ́wọ́ yín just like that ni, àbí báwo ni ó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? ẹjọ́ ẹ ṣàlàyé in details.
Hold on.
ẹ jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kíákíá o, torí fóònù mo fi ń pè direct kó má di pé credit máa tán.
So bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ máà nìyí, mo reach out sí máà nìyí, mo fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú wọn. ó kọ́kọ́ bíìlì mi ní almost 500,000 naira. ó bíìlì mi 500,000 naira. So ó lò máa lọ sí ìlú mẹ́ta. ó lò máa lọ ìlú mẹ́ta. ó ṣàṣírò gbogbo àwọn kankan tí mo gbọ́dọ̀ rà. ó máa lọ ìlú mẹ́ta. So mo wá reach out sí pé gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣírò rẹ̀ kí ó fi hàn mí. máa yí ò fi hàn mí dọ̀la o. fi hàn mí di ọ̀la. So ìyẹn tún kúrò ń bẹ̀. mo kọ́kọ́ send 500,000. later mo tún wá send $900. okay ó ní pé ó sọ pé láwọn oògùn ológun kan tó máa send sí mi. So ó ti àkọ́kọ́ sọ wípé ó ní pé àbúrò bá ló tẹ̀ ṣe sọ yẹn, ó ní ìyálé ìyá mi, pé ìyálé ìyá mi ò ló ń ṣe mí.
mo ń gbọ́ yín.
ó ló ń ṣe mí, nǹkan tó kọ́kọ́ sọ nìyẹn. Ìgbà yẹn ló wá pé ìgbà yẹn ló kọ́kọ́ gba 500,000 naira lọ́wọ́ mi. Bọ̀dọ̀lá mo ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ rà máa yóò fi hàn mí. Ìgbà tó yá ló wá sọ wípé òun lálàá, ó lóun lálàá wípé the whole thing was just so funny. Ó ní pé òun lálàá rí ìyá mi, pé àjẹ́ ni ìyá mi. Can you imagine? So lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí mo ti send 900,000, tí mo ti send almost $1,000, gbà ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá sọ pé òun tún wá rí ìyá mi pé àjẹ́, pé òun tún máa need another 500. So máa fẹ́ ruin mi, ó fẹ́ bà ayé mi jẹ́ pátápátá lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó ti gba 1.4 million. So èmi kọ̀ọ̀kan wá dúró rò pé hold on a second. Number one, máa yí kò tí complete any task. Èyí oògùn tó sọ pé ó máa send sí mi kò tí send ẹ̀ sí mi. So ìgbà yẹn mo wá ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé okay, àti parí any task, because babaláwo kì í ṣiṣẹ́ báyẹn. Babaláwo, they will not continue to tell you, oh, problem yìí ló wà, problem A wà, kan tó sọ pé problem B wà. So àtìgbà yẹn ni máa yìí fi hàn, àtìgbà yẹn ló fi gbá mi bíi bọ́ọ̀.
So at what point lẹ wá fi wá mọ̀ pé ṣe ni wọ́n ń gbà yín báyìí? Torí ṣe pé bàtẹ́ ń kówó yẹn fún wọn, ẹ ṣáà gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ fún yín ẹ̀dẹ̀ lésì sí wọn ni, kò ṣe pé bóyá ṣe gẹ́ẹ̀tì mẹ́yẹn àwọn ló sọ fún yín pé kan báyìí ẹni náà dẹ̀ gbà sí wọn lẹ́nu. So at what point lẹ ti wá mọ̀ pé bóyá pé ṣe náà ń gbà yín tẹ́ wálẹ̀ nídìí owó yín padà?
Ibi tí mo ti mọ̀ pé ó ti gbá mi òun náà ni ṣàwọn in the beginning ó sọ pé òun máa sẹ́ndì àwọn oògùn kan sí mi, àwọn kan tẹ́ pé mo máa lò. So èmi wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé okay, ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ complete a particular task ká tó move on to the next task. Pé okay, ẹ kọ́kọ́ tiẹ̀ sẹ́ndì oògùn sí mi. Àtìgbà yẹn ni máa ti disappear.
Okay, ẹ jọ sá okay, ó dàgbẹ́ ti explain bẹ́ẹ̀ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ get nìyẹn. Ẹ jọ bàbá wọ́n lè lónìí gbogbo tó ti send sí yín.
Èlò ni gbogbo owó tí mo ti send sí yín.
Ṣé rí gbogbo tó ń send sí mi fún gbogbo 500? Later wọ́n send 200-300 kan àti 200 kan. Màá wo dídé bó ti send yẹn. Àyè wọ́n yà send yẹn bí ẹ̀mẹ́ta. Mo jẹ́ okay fine. Àti wọ́n send sí mi ṣe 1.3 bẹ́ẹ̀ 1.3 bẹ́ẹ̀.
So ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sá, because èmi media person ni mi ò dẹ̀ lè jẹ́ kí ẹni tí borúkọ mi jẹ́. Conversation yìí torí mo kàn rí pé bí ẹ ní network lọ́dọ̀ yín yẹn ni àbí kíní, èmi fẹ́ ṣe ká fi ṣe zoom ni, but the way that yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ bí pé bóyá ẹni lè get ẹ̀ ilẹ̀ dẹ̀ ti ṣú òun mo ṣe ṣeré tí mo ṣe yìí. Ṣe rí documentation yìí tí ẹ bá ti fún máa yìí lówó wọn, nǹkan tá máa lò as evidence lè léyìí o. Ṣe get sir, because ó ti wà established. Mo gbé yín wá sórí platform mi ní ìsìn báyìí, ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ di orúkọ, ó fẹ́ ìbárúkọ. Because èmi ò mọ̀ tẹ bá so ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ wá sọ ìgbà tẹ fẹ́ fún wọn lówó yẹn ká mọ̀ báyìí. January kìíní sà.
Nàìjíríà tí bá wá gbé yín gbogbo owó tí mo náà lè máa dá padà o, máa fi yín lálà, máa bà ti yín jẹ́ o. Tí bá wá sí Nàìjíríà nítorí iṣu yìí wọ́n nílò 3 million kẹ́ fi ọgbọ́n ò lè gbà, mo ní pé kẹ́ dá 500,000 padà. to Almighty God lè máa dá padà. Tó bá pẹ́ mẹ́ni tí mo jẹ́
ok wọ́n ti sọ pé èlò lẹ wá jọ agree sínsìn kẹjẹ ká mọ̀ ń sin ẹjọ́ tó lọ lọ́rùn.
500,000 ni èmi ní pé kó mú 500,000 bọ̀ tó tí bá máa bọ̀ tó bá di extent tó jẹ́ pé mo máa fi ọwọ́ tó lè mú wọn mi ní jẹ́ kó release ẹni ẹ̀wọ̀n tó bá fi wọ́n sí mi ní jẹ́ kó release wọn ọdún tó bá tó dá wọn gbowó yẹn padà because now mo ní pé kó dá 500,000 naira padà so tí n bá máa lọ to the next level láti fi ọwọ́ òfin mú wọn mi ní jẹ́ kó release wọn o.
so ẹ jọ sà èlò ni ẹ ti gbọ́ iye tán ni wọ́n fẹ́ gbà lọ́wọ́ yín bẹ́yẹn ṣé ẹ ti gbà bẹ́yẹn sà o because èmi rò pé ẹ ti settle látijọ́ yẹn ni èmi ò mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ ṣì wà ń bẹ̀ lọ́sẹ̀ pè mí lálẹ́ báyìí so mo dẹ̀ sọ fún wọn pé mo ní ó léèyàn tí mo mọ̀ yín true wọn so I will be forced to tell this woman kí ó jẹ́ woman yẹn ni wọ́n máa pè because mi lè máa gbé nǹkan tí mi ò jẹ́ mi lè máa gbé sórí mi o máa sọ fún ìyá ọlọ́sùn yẹn kọ́ pè wọ́n kọ́ máa pè wọ́n. Bàbá ṣé iye owó yẹn gangan ṣe ti gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ní 500,000 lówó wọn o.
bàbá ta lówó wọn ẹ kó fún mi January ending.
ok ìgbà wo ni ní January ending.
January ending láti lọ 31st of January wedding nìyẹn.
ok 31st of January ó ti wà noted bẹ́ẹ̀ sá o. ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kó tó di pé ọlọ́pàá máa bá wa dá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí àwọn èèyàn á bá wa dá sí o torí ó ti pẹ́ o táìmù tí wọ́n ti pè láàsì báyìí ó máa ṣé kò ṣáà ti August ẹ̀ ti wà lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀ yìí àbí May.
ó ti pẹ́ gan-an.
so I will be forced wá ṣáà ti stamp ẹ̀ báyìí pé 500,000 sir.
if I have to take it to the lawyer tí n bá máa lọ to the next level owó yẹn lè máa dá padà. I'm telling you.
èlò lẹ wá agree ti báyìí sìn láti ní lọ gbọ́ èmi fẹ́ post ọ̀hún conversation yín o àwọn tó ti gbọ́ ṣẹ́rìsà tọ́rọ̀ ìbá ṣẹ́rí bí máa ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí wọ́n máa take it up pẹ̀lú yín o ṣe mọ̀ pé ẹ máa gbọ́ sà ẹ máa gbọ́ ṣe mọ̀ pé mo fún yín ní opportunity sáà pé kẹ́ ṣàlàyé titi yín so that káyé máa lè bá yín gbọ́ sí ẹ máa bá a dá sí o ṣe gbọ́ báyìí because èmi ò lè jẹ́ kíkọ́ wá borúkọ mi jẹ́ o for people to know.
kì í ṣe fọ́ọ̀tì àwọn èèyàn pé ẹ̀yin gbìyànjú láti gbé ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ga ni ẹ̀yin gbìyànjú but ẹ̀yin ò mọ ikú ìkà ní àwọn olè tó ń ba ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jẹ́.
so ẹ jọ̀ọ́ òun mo ṣe conversation yìí mo record ẹ voice yìí mo record ẹ o this is what I'm going to use tí màá fi clear ara mi. So gbogbo ayé máa bá wa dá sí ẹ ti sọ pé on kílẹ̀ pé yẹn sà on January ending then èló dẹ̀ ni ẹ fẹ́ náírà yín sọ iye tẹ́ fẹ́ fún wọn sà.
500,000 àjọ sọ sí 500,000 máa fún.
ok 500,000 so Mr. So wọ́n ní on ending of this month máa dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn dá sí pé ibi báyìí lè fọ̀rọ̀ sí 1 million naira. so mo kàn fẹ́ sọ fún Mr. mo fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ mọ̀ kàn tí mo kàn fẹ́ sọ fún wọn àrò àbò kàn fẹ́ pa fún wọn. That's why tí mo ṣe block pé nobody can call any babalawo on my page ẹni tó bá nídìí babalawo á pè mí tó bá ti pè mí ẹni báyìí ló need máa connect wọn because èmi ò mọ̀ pé orúkọ báyìí máa kó mi sí gbogbo yọ́yọ́ báyìí o mi ò mọ̀ so kò sí wàhálà.
babaláwo rere ọ̀rọ̀ wọn wà straight forward àwọn olè yìí bóyá náà fẹ́ fi mí fìyà jẹ máa ní nǹkan tẹ́mi rò nìyẹn.
kò sí wa ẹjọ ẹ ní sùúrù ṣẹ gbọ́ ẹjọ ẹ ní sùúrù ṣẹ gbọ́ ẹ fún wọn di time tó ń sọ yẹn 500,000 naira wọ́n dẹ̀ ti sọ pé by that time wọ́n á san owó yẹn so wọ́n dẹ̀ ti ṣàlàyé titi wọn náà so ẹjọ ẹ sì ní sùúrù fún wọn ṣẹ gbọ́ ẹ ní sùúrù fún wọn so báyìí fúnra mi máa bá yín máa follow ẹ̀ up nsìn wọ́n ti ní January ending 2023 500,000 naira noted.
Right? So that's why I decided to say, okay, henceforth, I am going to be involved, because I can't, because of this, stop what I'm doing. I can't, because of the way some of these babalawos are doing. I can't, because of that, stop what I'm doing. And it's not written on their faces to know who can do this or who cannot do it. Right? That is what I mean, is that exactly what we are going through now. So I can't really say that this is a person that can that can scam. Let me put it that way. I can't really say, because you just have to move around. Even though I do my findings, I ask questions, I do make sure that the person that I'm interviewing is actually a babalawo or lorisha. But at the end of the day, when it comes to financial transaction, the story changes. So that's why now I said, if you want to have uh if you want to get any help from any babalawo on my page, you have to message me, and I will send you my terms and conditions. It's not a crime. It's just like, okay, if you are okay with it, you go for it. If you are not okay with it, there are thousands, millions of babalawos out there. You can find them by yourself. And even if I interview any babalawo on my page, you can look for him by yourself. But coming to my page to pick a number, and at the end of the day, when you have a problem, with the babalawo, you come back to me, reporting to me when I didn't even know anything about it. Okay, so that's why I've said it, that if you need any babalawo's help on my page, you message me, then I'm going to send you my terms and conditions. So if you are okay with it, you go for it. If you are not okay, you just move away. That is it. Thank you very much. So this is just to update you, and because it's very necessary to always update you, because for those of you who are lovers of what I'm doing, so I should always update you. I should let you know my vision. I should let you know my direction, so that you are not in the dark, so that I don't put you in the dark as to what I do. Okay. But for those of you who feel that it's your right to just pick any number on my page and do whatever you want and just mess my page up, I'm not going to allow that. And if you message me and you talk to me rudely, I'm going to give you back. That's it. Even in the comment section, if you talk to me, if you bully me unnecessarily, I'm going to give you back. Thank you very much, guys. I love you all, and stay blessed and get a better life. Bye for now.